Do you want to make money online and have more freedom? Learn the tactics we use to earn over $100 per day working around 5 hours per day, with nothing more than a computer or mobile phone and internet connection. We work whenever and wherever we want, plus take time off whenever we please. Want to know how we did it? Then, this video is perfect for you. We will quickly go over the top 3 ways we have used to make money online, before discussing the steps you need to take, as well as the variable tips and tricks you need to know, if you want to be successful. Of course, you don't have to quit your day job, but if you take action on the information presented herein, you'll probably want to. The methods presented in this course allow us to make thousands of dollars remotely per month and live the lifestyle we always wanted. If it's possible for us, it is also possible for you, and we guarantee that using the methods in this course and with some effort, you will be changing your life for the best in no time. Each day that you procrastinate, you only put yourself further behind in reaching your goals. Change your life today by starting this course now. These are the top 3 best ways of making money online. Buy the videos. Keep watching because I'm going to give you a bonus at the end of the video. Without further ado, let's just get back to the video. If you've been on the internet for more than a few days, you've likely seen at least one advertisement teaching you how to make thousands of dollars a day, working in your underwear, in the comfort of your own home. These ads are so ridiculously popular that if you're like most people, you start doubting whether it really is possible to make money online. The truth is, it is possible. It might be hard to make thousands of dollars a day from the get-go, but there are certainly ways you can make at least $50 a day. Why working from home with ease? We are not saying it's easy to make $50, but if you figure out something you actually enjoy doing and that you are good at, your chances to make a living or at least a decent income with it are high. We have been working online full-time for over 5 years, and we have tried all of the methods presented here, so we can guarantee that it is possible to make money with each of them. In this course, we are going to share with you 3 different ways in which you can create real online income. We have tried to cover all types of methods for all different personality and skill types, and we are confident that you'll be able to find at least a few that sound good to you. While some of them require more work than others, please know that you can mix and match. For example, maybe you can do a few hours writing articles for $30, and then make up the extra $20 doing something else. The key is to have fun and do whatever you enjoy. In this video we have given an overview of each idea, and then fleshed them all out a little bit so you can get started on whatever you like, immediately. It is our sincere hope that you get a lot out of this video and that you take action and start making money. These are the top 3 simple ways to make money online without investing. Number 3. Drop shipping. There are many people who have considered selling on eBay or other websites but hated the idea of having to buy and store products, packaging them, and then finally shipping it to their customers. A good alternative for those is called drop shipping. The best part about this method is that you don't have to deal with any problems. In fact, you won't have to even touch the products at all. When you drop ship, all you have to do is sell the products. As soon as a sale is made and you receive payment, your drop shipping company or wholesaler would ship the product out on your behalf to the customer. All you have to do is give them their name and address. Just about anyone can start drop shipping to make some extra money. In order for you to start drop shipping, here are some steps you can take. 1. Get yourself an account with eBay or other online auction sites as a seller, or create your own e-commerce website. 2. Locate wholesalers who provide drop shipping services. One thing to make sure is that they don't use their contact details on the packages that are sent out, otherwise you could miss out on potential future business with them. You can choose which products that you want to sell, and start advertising these products on eBay or on your own website. Other places to advertise could include PPC, meaning pay-per-click, on sites like Google AdWords and Bing Ads. How much money can I make from drop shipping? How much you earn will depend on the difference between the wholesale price you pay and the sale price you set. You can make anywhere between a few extra bucks all the way up to $1,000 per sale, depending on what kind of goods you are offering. 2. Article writing. If you are a decent writer, you can earn good money by writing articles for people with blogs or websites. Many website owners need to keep their sites current and up to date to remain popular and keep visitors returning, but don't have the time to keep creating new content. Because of this problem, they hire people who can write on their behalf. In fact, there's thousands of writing opportunities online, many of which pay well. It's knowing how to find the best potential markets, delivering writing that works well online, and growing initial assignments into ongoing relationships that can set you apart from other writers. A good article writer will need to possess good grammar and should communicate well via the written word. The best way to make more money with less work is to specialize in a specific niche. That way you will write articles way faster and you can create a portfolio on the topic and use some sample work to introduce yourself to some established websites in the topic in case they need your help. In order for you to become a content writer, here are some steps you can take. 1. Spend some time learning how to research and write a quality article. 2. Post a profile on freelancing sites such as Freelancer.com, Guru.com, Upwork.com, etc. You have to look for article writing jobs on the same freelancing sites and apply for them. One of the top revenue sharing sites are HubPages. This site is really simple to use. All you have to do is join and upload your first article. You'll need to have your article approved, but as long as it's 700 plus words and free from grammatical and spelling errors, then there shouldn't be a problem. The only drawback is that you need to apply for your own Google AdSense account to get paid. But don't worry, it only takes a few minutes to get one. If you may ask, how much can I make out of article writing? Content writing jobs can pay anywhere from $1 to $100 plus based on the length of the article, quality and your expertise. If you're already an expert on the topic you're writing about, you can often charge a premium. Even if you are new to writing, you can make upwards of $1 for each 100 words you write. 1. Editing and proofreading. Editing and proofreading is a job that is in constant demand. Written articles, stories, reviews or even reports need to be proofread, edited and corrected before they can be submitted. There has been an increase of work due to the number of freelance sites emerging to assist writers, publishers and students to be able to submit work that is free from spelling and grammatical errors. For some freelancers, this can become a full-time job, although it can also provide an excellent second income. In order to make money proofreading, here are some steps you can take. 1. You can sign up with freelancing sites, apply for jobs and also provide a profile for others to contact you to offer you work. 2. Register with job sites such as Indeed, Simply Hired and Monster Jobs where you can post a CV showing your qualifications and skills, allowing employers to contact you. 3. Register on websites which provide editing, proofreading services to their customers. Websites that specialize in providing these services include Mulberry Studio, Proofread Now, and WordFirm. Check these sites daily and set up email alerts for suitable positions to be emailed to you. 4. Build your own website to advertise your service to prospective clients. What skills and expertise do you need to get started? 1 is, it is imperative that you have excellent writing skills and a good command of the language you are editing or proofreading. You need to have a good eye for detail, good computer skills, be creative and be able to write in different styles. Dependent on the work you are applying for, you may need specialized knowledge or be confident in that knowledge. 2. You need to have a computer with up-to-date software and be able to use that software such as Microsoft Word, with formatting, page layouts, spell checking, and grammar. 3. Be able to understand and use words, different meanings and understandings. Be careful to only submit work that has been checked and double-checked. How much can I make from editing, proofreading jobs? As mentioned previously, this work can become full-time or used as a second income, and it is possible to earn $5 to $40 per hour depending on the work being completed. The work may be paid per hour or on completion of the work. Remember, if it is a large project, to negotiate a sliding rate rather than wait until the end of the project to be paid. The rate also depends on how specialized the work is. The higher rates earned with academic projects with specialized terminology. Bonus part. Fiverr is one of the best ways to start all this online jobs I have mentioned so far. To start with Fiverr, visit the website and create a profile there. For example, if you are into editing, go to Fiverr and create a profile on editing. Just like this one here. There are millions of people who comes to Fiverr to hire someone. So you start all this by creating a profile on Fiverr.